In this video, I want to show you how to install this Thermalright M.2 heatsink on your M.2 NVMe drive. This is a drive installed without the heatsink. I'm gonna remove it, install the heatsink, and then put it back. To remove the drive, you have to unscrew this screw on the bottom. Make sure to use a Phillips head screwdriver that is magnetized so that you can remove the screw with the screwdriver and you don't lose it on the motherboard. And when you remove the screw, the drive pops out. So put the drive towards the screw and it will be removed. So this is a heatsink. You need to remove the screws that are on the side. You need a Phillips head screwdriver. Be careful not to lose any screw. And it simply separates like this. Now you need to remove the protective film that covers the silicone pads on both sides of the heatsink. Now put the drive on the bottom half of the heatsink with the label facing up. You don't need to remove anything on the drive. Do not peel off the label here, otherwise you're going to lose the warranty on the drive. So when you put the drive, you need to make sure that the opening for the screw will have like a place here to go, like this. So it should be like this. So this is good like this. Push it in a bit. And then take the other side, peel off the protection again. And then put it back on it like this. You need to align the screws, of course, here like that, and then you need to put back the screws. Always put the screws diagonally. So this is the one that should go here now. So this is the last screw. Now before tightening the screws, push the radiator to the drive like this, and then when you make sure that it is on the drive exactly, tighten the screws now. So now the screws are tightened and we are ready to install the drive like this. So this is where the drive should go, and I'm gonna install it now. And I need to put back the screw here. And here's everything installed.